This video exhibits the result of our suction cup design. Our suction cup module is able to sense the orientation of an object by touching it. Then it corrects its own orientation relative to the object so it can approach it perpendicularly. This way, the object can be picked up successfully. This is achieved as follows. By attaching the suction cup to a mount that contains a camera, we can film the inside of the suction cup. On the inside, we have embedded 2 layers of colored markers by using a multi-material 3D printing process. This fabrication technology allows us to print the whole suction cup, including the colored markers, in a single step. A different orientation relative to an object will now each produce a different marker pattern. Now, to be able to recognize the pattern between the marker image and the orientation automatically, we have trained a convolutional neural network on the relation between the pixel values and the rotation angles. The data collection process went as follows. First, a random latitude and longitude value is generated and the suction cup is rotated accordingly. Then we take an image that serves as a neutral reference. After indentation, we take another image. To only capture the relevant deformation caused by the contact, we compute the difference between the pixel values before and after the indent. Finally, the image is saved and labeled with the rotation angles. We collected 5,000 of these images. The convolutional neural network was trained to recognize the rotation angles based on the pixel values. To evaluate the use of the trained network in practice, it was used to sense the orientation of 4 differently placed objects. As you can see here, the predicted rotation angles were used to correct the placement of the suction cup perpendicularly above the objects to pick them up successfully.